Taste test panel, assemble. So I know this is going to be a hard job, and you guys are just going to have to suffer through it, but somebody has to do it. Somebody has to taste the candy. You volunteer?
No. I want to.
I know it's going to be hard. I know you guys don't like candy at all.
I do.
But you're going to have to suffer through tasting some keto cracked candy. They sent us this goodie box, and it has been torturing me sitting on my desk, and we are finally ready to open it up and see what goodies they sent us and give them a taste test for you.
I want to do it first.
Oh, you want to taste first?
You don't know what's inside, it's just all you know is it's candy.
I know that it's delicious.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can tell you so far.
Oh, but do they have
We'll be
gluten
the
in
judge
them?
of that.
No, thank you for asking, Levi. They don't have gluten in
You
them.
can try them too.
I can. Yeah, you are so thoughtful.
Yeah.
Okay, so guess what, Levi? They also have no eggs. None of them have eggs.
Yeah.
So you can try all of them too. All right, oh my goodness. Look at this. All right, first thing. Peanut butter caramel crunch bars. So, oh, this one's pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice peanut butter caramel crunch bars. These are peanut butter caramel crunch bars that apparently taste like Butterfingers. Have you guys had Butterfingers before?
Yeah, kind
I
of.
think you might have. But they're one of my absolute favorite candies of all time. And apparently these taste like Butterfingers, so I hear. Okay, next up
I like that
is... You do, huh? The Aloha caramels. Coconut caramel with almonds in like a drizzle of chocolate. Oh my goodness, these boxes are so stinking cute. All right, last thing, look. This is their truffles. There's like a few different flavors in here. Isn't this box just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. These would make such perfect gifts. But of course, we have to taste it to make sure they taste good. Because you wouldn't want to give someone a gift that doesn't taste good. So we'll do the work.
You never know,
We'll
truffles
do the
might
work.
not taste
Do
good.
that last.
We'll do this one last?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want? You want to do the Aloha caramels first?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
I wanted this one
Look
next.
at this adorable box. Okay, look at this.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
They're so tiny.
Aren't they cute?
I thought they were big.
Aren't those just the cutest? All right, we're gonna open it up. Ooh. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Everybody grab one, but don't pop it in your mouth yet. Just wait.
One with the most chocolate.
Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready for this?
Uh-huh.
Everyone taste.
They're
It's so chewy.
It's really chewy.
It's really good.
Oh man, that's like nicely browned. There's like brown sugar, not brown sugar, but like browned butter and sugar, like caramely.
It tastes like
Oh my gosh,
It's
it
really
tastes like a
tart.
Twix, but instead of the crunchy wafer, it's more of like the crunchy.
it tastes more like a chewy Heath bar to me. I don't know if
I've
you've
never
had a
had
Heath
Heath.
bar, but it's like the toffee flavor, but chewy with the almonds inside. Oh my gosh, let's look at the ingredients real fast. Organic almond, allulose, organic coconut cream,
They're good, Kitty.
tapioca fiber,
Do you like them?
cacao, baking soda, vanilla, salt, and monk fruit. Super clean ingredients, and there's the nutrition facts. All right, we got to get on to the next one. Next up is the peanut butter caramel crunch pumpkin spice bars. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. All right.
Can I try one? We're gonna try
Well,
one.
of course you can try one. That's the whole point, man. There it
Try it,
is.
try it.
Okay, hold on.
We're going to try it. The hard. That one's
Ooh, crunchy.
Be careful, don't break
That
your teeth.
one's different.
All right.
Oh.
Ooh, hold on.
Wait, no, we're not.
That's what the inside looks like. All right, you ready to grab one?
Yeah, but the. Don't eat it.
Very cool. Oh, wait, all right.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, pop it in. Mmm.
Is it Butterfingery?
It's similar. Obviously, this is
peanut
a
butter.
pumpkin spice one, so it's got like
Peanut butter.
cinnamon
It's like peanut
instead
butter.
of chocolate. It is like peanut butter, and it's got like the chewy caramely flavor. Oh my goodness. Next up, of course, we have to try the one with chocolate. I just can't get over how cute these are. The packaging is just so adorable. Levi, what is that face?
Awesome face.
All right, let's try one of these.
Oh, those ones are hard.
I call the middle piece.
Oh, you like the middle?
I'll get the edge piece.
I want the
They're a little
middle
bit
piece.
crumbly. Here, let me show the middle first.
I want middle.
Yummy.
Can I have the middle?
Sure, grab a piece. Oh, you see.
Don't eat it yet.
Oh, go ahead and eat it. All right, here we go. Oh my god.
It's so flaky.
It's so flaky.
Mhm.
And it's so good.
Mhm.
Oh wow. Definitely peanut butter. Definitely caramel. And I like the dark chocolate. It's not like sickeningly sweet. Oh, so good. If you've been hankering for a Butterfinger, this is a very good keto replacement. All right, now we're gonna break into this adorable box.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. The truffle.
Okay. Here we go. They're so adorable. All right, looks like there's a coffee one, an almond one, and a strawberry one. And well, there's two of each.
I like strawberry.
We'll cut them all up, and you guys can taste. Ooh, they're so cute. Okay, you guys have to see. Aren't those cute? All
It's gonna freeze-dried strawberries. I
Yeah.
don't freeze-dried strawberries.
right, should we try the strawberry first?
No, I don't.
Wait.
They're so cute.
Oh, let me see what's inside. Ooh, look at
Looks like
that. Well, it looks like truffle. Wait.
Fudge.
Stop it. Okay. You guys don't eat it yet.
Okay.
Alright, I want to try some too. Strawberry truffle. Go ahead. Mmm. It's definitely dark chocolate. It's not overly sweet, which I like. It's got just a hint of the strawberry. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. You guys ready to try the almond?
Yeah.
The almonds are hard.
Ooh, look at that.
I saw it.
You saw the inside?
I saw
It's
it.
got the
I
little
see it.
almond pieces in there. Okay,
Piece with everybody wants it.
You do?
Keep your fingers
Yes, I
out.
want this with the I don't want this one.
Okay, grab a piece.
I don't want this.
You don't want to try the almond one?
Yeah, because
Okay. I'll just try. You don't like almonds?
I do want onion trail mix.
You only like almonds and trail mix. Okay. Whatever you say, man. All right, I'm going to try it then.
I'm gonna get some water.
Yeah. It's very dark chocolate. We need some water too, huh?
Yeah.
We probably should have cleansed our palate after each one. But we're not that fancy.
Cleanse the palate. And now there's the next one. Let your stomach settle.
Again, very dark. If you like dark chocolate, you're going to love these.
Very dark.
Very dark. All right, do you guys want to try the coffee one?
I will.
Tally.
I will.
All right.
Can I get
Renee?
for me?
Yeah, go get some water. Oh, you want a coffee one, Levi?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get water.
Grab my cup too.
Okay. Oh, you have chocolate all over your face and you have chocolate all over your arm. How did that happen?
Because I ate chocolate.
Oh,
When
Okay.
he eats chocolate, it just goes everywhere.
that's true. All right. There is the coffee one. And only, let's see, Levi, Renee, and Talia want to try it. Not Charity.
I don't want one with the coffee thing.
You don't have to eat the coffee bean.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't eat the coffee bean either.
Yeah, I took the coffee bean off of yours. All right, there's one. Oops, the chocolate's falling off. Okay,
Ooh, I want this.
you do. All right,
I love this. Eat it.
here we
It's so good
go.
already.
Dink it. All right, pop it.
I like it.
Mmm. So smooth.
Yeah.
Very delicious. Coffee's not your favorite, Tal?
No, it's too bitter.
Not too bitter for me. Love it. so good. What do you think, Levi, of that one?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's good because it's chocolate.
That's true. How could it be bad, right? Hey, it's not for you, Izzy. Sorry. None of this is for you. Sorry, Izzy. They didn't send you any dog treats. You'll have to have some of your carnivore dog crisps. Yeah. Not every keto company has dog treats. Not everyone. Look at this aftermath. This is like
A war zone.
it's a war zone or like a party zone where a good time was had. Good time was had by all. They're all good?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Don't give your review yet.
Yeah, don't.
Renee? Which one was your favorite? So we had the caramel peanut crunch, the pumpkin spice caramel peanut crunch, the Aloha caramels, and the truffles. Hey, Levi.
I like these.
The pumpkin spice one?
Yes, I really, really like that.
Okay, Renee votes for the pumpkin spice peanut butter caramel crunch. And how many thumbs up do you give it? 10. 10 thumbs up. All right, Talia.
That's in 2 thumbs, and then there's
Right, 8 fingers.
I don't think I can vote with just like either a truffle or a bar, but I like the Aloha caramel bar and I like the strawberry truffle.
Okay, all right. Aloha caramel, 1 vote. And then a vote for the strawberry truffle. Did you have a favorite of the truffle flavors, Renee?
almond.
Almond, all right. And how many thumbs up do you give the Aloha caramels?
Thumbs up, they're pretty good.
How many?
2.
2 thumbs up. And what about the strawberry truffle?
2 as well.
2 as well. Okay.
They're good.
All right, Charity, what was your favorite bar?
Caramel.
Ooh, another vote for the Aloha caramels. And what was your favorite? Let's see, you only tried the almond and the strawberry.
Yeah, I think the
Indigo
strawberry.
Okay, go ahead.
Indigo Candy.
Okay, and then you can come back and tell me, okay?
They were really good. I like how they were like a Twix bar, so they're crunchy with the almonds and then chewy.
We each have. How we each just hold up one of these.
Sure.
Charity and I
Well,
will
you
hold
guys
up
would have
these.
to share. Okay, Levi, your turn. So, of the bars, which one was your favorite? There was the pumpkin spice one, the chocolate caramel one, and then the Aloha caramels. Remember these that we started with?
I want to do this one.
No, I'm asking you which one was your favorite.
I like this one.
The Aloha caramels?
Yeah, I want
All right, vote number 3. Just a second, we're not having another one yet. Vote number 3 for the Aloha caramels. Okay, and then you tried all 3 of the flavors of the truffles, the strawberry, almond, and coffee. Which truffle was your favorite?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And how many thumbs up do you give this candy? 10?
Yeah.
Nice. Everyone, hold them up, but not in front of your face. Renee, peek over. Smile, Levi. And now hold them up, like push them out towards me. But I have to see your face. Yeah. A big thank you to Keto Cracked for sending us all of these goodies to try. It was very fun. I will put a link down below to their website so you can check them out. I know that the cost is prohibitive for people to eat these maybe every day. If you can't afford to eat these every day, more power to you, but I know that the cost is high. But we are in the holidays right now, and sometimes you just want to splurge either for yourself or for a keto friend that you just want to spoil a little bit. So great option for if you need some gifts or just some special treats for the holidays. You guys that have watched my channel for a while know that every year we make candy for Christmas gifts for all of our neighbors and friends. And I have been asked many times if I would make some and sell them and ship them out. And the answer to that is always absolutely not. So much work would be involved in trying to figure all of that out, and I am not planning on doing that. So if you are wanting to purchase some Christmas goodies this year, you're not going to get them from me, but I recommend heading over to Keto Cracked and checking out all of their goodies. Thanks so much for hanging out with us on this taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you again in another video.